begin with, let's take a look at some of Python's features. Python is open source, which means it's free to obtain, modify, use for any purpose, and redistribute. It's quick to learn, which means that you get up to speed programming very rapidly. It's easy to read and understand, which makes it easy to maintain your programs over time. It's very powerful with many different modules provided for lots of capabilities. And you'll find it used throughout many different programming domains. As far as Python's technical features, it is an object-oriented language, although you can use procedural and functional programming styles as well. Variables are dynamically typed and given their type at assignment, as opposed to declared with a type the way that static languages do. It's strongly typed because once an object has its type, that type determines what methods or functions can be used with that object. In loosely typed languages, objects can be coerced to perform functions that its type would not normally allow. It's white space delimited, so instead of using keywords or braces to delimit blocks of code, Python uses indentation, where typically 4 spaces are used to indent each block of code. It's interpreted, which may make it execute slower than compiled languages, but it allows for the programmer to interact directly with the interpreter and inspect code objects without having to recompile. Python comes in many different editions. CPython is the standard type, where Python is implemented in the C programming language. Jython is Python implemented within a Java virtual machine, which allows for the programmer to blend Python and Java libraries. IronPython is for Windows, which implements Common Language Runtime and allows for the mixing of .NET assemblies and Python libraries. And finally, PyPy is Python implemented in Python, and with its just-in-time compiler, is one of the fastest additions. Like the other non-standard additions, it provides solutions for some of the weaknesses of CPython. As far as Python's ubiquity, you'll find it everywhere. It's very popular on the web, with major frameworks such as Django and Zope allowing for the easy creation and management of websites. It has the Blender project, which allows for the creation, manipulation, and animation of 3D models. And it's used by desktop applications, not only to create plugins in advanced programs such as GIMP, a Photoshop clone, but also to create applications like Dropbox. If you don't think you can have any fun with Python, then you really ought to check out the Pygame project. This framework provides the ability to use animation, music, sound, and devices within a game. Python is also very popular within the scientific community through packages such as SciPy and NumPy, providing advanced mathematical functions.